Northeast India is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty. Here are 5 of its most beautiful places. Number 1. Meghalaya's living root bridges. These natural wonders, found in places like Cherrapunji and Mawlynnong, are made of living tree roots and are a marvel of engineering and natural beauty. Number 2. Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Known for its serene monasteries, pristine lakes like Pangong Tso, and stunning landscapes, Tawang offers a glimpse of untouched beauty. Number 3. Majuli, Assam. The world's largest river island, Majuli is a haven of tranquility amidst the Brahmaputra River, boasting lush greenery, vibrant culture, and unique wildlife. Number 4. Dzükou Valley, Nagaland. Famous for its picturesque landscapes and seasonal blooms of colorful flowers, Dzükou Valley is a trekker's paradise and a sight to behold. Number 5. Shillong, Meghalaya. Often referred to as the Scotland of the East, Shillong is known for its rolling hills, cascading waterfalls like Elephant Falls, and vibrant culture, making it a must-visit destination.